Hello everyone, I have damaged one of my lipos in a crash. After the crash everything looks perfect and nothing seems to be broken, but the lipo took the crash, and after 1.5 months I figured out that the lipo is leaking liquid and the voltage of cell 1 was dropping slightly. After some time of finishing balance charging, cell 1 voltage started falling down, and then after an over discharge, cell 1 was totally dead, and cell 2, 3 and 4 was balanced at 3.74 volt. Now I have figured out that cell 1 has a small hole there, and somehow the cell on is shorted from the inside and it is self discharging. So now I'm trying to fix this. If I can make this 4 cell lipo as a 3 cell lipo, then I think still I can use it. So today I am going to make this 4 cell lipo to a 3 cell lipo. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. So here is the lipo, you can see right there, and there is the hole in here, a very small hole. I think this is causing the lipo to be dead, but I am not sure because the crash was not so hard, and this heat shrink took the crash, and then for more protection I put this back on, but the lipo was damaged before that. So you can see this cell here is little bit puffed up, so this one is completely dead. I think I will check that in multimeter later. And here is the aluminum protection plate, and the other one is right here. So I removed the heatsink and the plastic protection plastic here, and you can see this is the graphene 2.0 DINOGY Ultra Graphene 2.0 4 cell ATC lipo, and I think it is the lipo from original factory. So now I want to check it with the multimeter. Okay, so let me check it first, and you can see right there in the multimeter total voltage is 11.30. so let's check the second cell first, and it is 3.76. third one is 3.76, and the fourth cell is also 3.76. so they are okay and they are in very good condition. And now for the first cell, you can see there it is showing nothing. Again I can check, it's just 5.8 millivolt there. Okay, so here is what I am going to do, and this is the actual diagram of this 4 cell lipo. So you can see that this is the negative lead and this is the positive lead, and this one, this is for balance cable on, and this one is for 2, this one is for 3 and this one is for 4, and this one will be the balance cable for the positive lead. So this 1 and 2, it will measure the voltage of cell 1, and then 2 and 3 will measure the cell voltage of cell 2, then 3 4 will measure 3, and then 4 5 will measure for 4. So I want to make this 4 cell as a 3 cell lipo. So this on number 2 3 and 4 is okay. So this positive lead will be like this, and this negative lead will be like this. So I need to connect this with the negative terminal of cell 2, so that this negative terminal will act like the negative lead, main lead, and we need to connect this positive and negative together and this positive negative together. So the balance cable on will be this one, and 2 will be this one, and 3 will be this one, and 4 will be this one. So this is the diagram. So I'm going to make this work. So now the balance cables are desoldered. So now I will connect this lead and this lead with the 12 or 14 AWG cable, and then I will reconfigure the balance cables. So after the soldering job done, we'll be right back. Okay, so it's almost done, but I faced a problem during soldering. So you can see here, the first cell and second cell is connected with on another. So if I connect this terminal and this terminal, the first cell will be short circuit. So I need to detach the connection here, and I actually cut the lead a little bit to avoid the short circuit. So now it's fine, it's looks great. The soldering was also great there. So the last thing we need to do is I want to check it and show you that it is okay. So there is a extra balance cable. I left this like that, but if I want I can take it off. So this is the first cell 3.76, then second cell 3.76, then the third cell is also 3.76, but the extra wire is just there, it is not doing anything. The shrinking is done. You can see here I put a new heat shrink, and the heat shrink looks okay, but if it is a little bit long, then it was perfect. So I think the repairing process was a success, and let's check this. Yeah, it's working. So before that the charging process was not working because of some balance port issue. So now I am going to show you that the charger is working perfectly. Yeah, you can see there it's charging. So everything is fine. So that's all for now, guys. If you like my video, then please hit the like button and please support me and subscribe into my channel. I want to go further and want to grow my channel. So thank you guys, take care, bye.